So hello, what's up guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you an amazing app which will boost your device performance and fix your gaming lags. After this app you won't need any other app or any module because this app has module, game booster and everything you will need. No files, nothing. Just you need to keep watching this video till the end because this might be the last video of this channel. So let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is open the Play Store and search for HTG Game Turbo, and you will get the app at very first. Click on it and install the app. After installation, open the app and go to Games Fragment, means Game section. Here, enable Game Toolbox. Give all the required permissions. Once all the permissions are granted, you will see that after launching a game, you can find a game toolbox. Here you can use some of the features of app. But here, for the clear cache and DNS challenger option, you need Shizuku. For Shizuku, go to app and go to tweak section, and here you can see the Shizuku is not enabled. You need to enable Shizuku. Here I have given a video guide. You can just click and watch the video to enable Shizuku. But for my device, the Shizuku is already enabled. I will click and enable it. Now let's apply all the tweaks one by one. First, I will set animation scale to 0. Then click on background process limit and set it to no background process. I am just setting all the tweaks for the max performance. You can set by yourself how you want. Then comes cache process, set to 8 apps. Then click on performance mode and enable performance mode. Then comes force GPU rendering. Click on it and turn on force GPU rendering. For my device it's already on. And comes app hibernation. Here you can just select all the heavy apps which run in background and force stop them in one single click. This is very useful feature. You can just select all the heavy apps and click on force stop selected, and it will just force stop. Then comes screen DPI. You can lower your screen DPI, set it to low or medium. Then comes Wi-Fi screen throttling. You can disable it if you don't play in Wi-Fi. Then comes disable HW overlay. Try it once. Just disable. Refresh rate, set to the max available, or just click auto adaptive. That's also good. Then comes clear all cache. Using this button you can clear all the cache of all the apps in your device. Just click clear cache. Then comes disable doze mode. This is very useful feature. You won't get in any other app. This does some disabling of throttle. Disable it. Then comes the select performance per app. This don't work on all devices. It just works in some devices. To make it work, just select your app and click set game mode. But it won't work on Xiaomi or some devices. You can just see all the details from the learn more option and set the DNS changer to Cloudflare one. In the latest build which you will download from Play Store, you will get an option of module stored here. From there you can flash 5 to 6 modules I have provided you, and flashing the modules you will find that your 60 to 70% frame drops and lags have been fixed. So guys, if you really find this video helpful and the app helpful, don't forget to leave a comment. Go to Play Store and just give a solid 5-star rating if you find this app really helpful. Thanks for watching. See you later.